Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and this is a brand new, fresh product red iPhone 8 Plus in its retail packaging. Now the unboxing process itself isn't much different to unboxing any other 8 Plus. You get the same cellophane wrapped white rectangle box, and inside there's the usual sleeve full of paperwork, including stickers and a page on what the product red movement actually is. Now, like all iPhones, the device is protected by film on the front and the back and sits on top of the usual set of accessories. There's no special colouring here, it's all white as normal. It includes the Earpods and the Lightning to 3.5mm adapter, as well as the wall adapter with its own protective covering. Of course, you also get the USB cable. Now, if you already have an iPhone or iOS 11 device at this point, you can make use of Apple's quick setup process. If you're not sure how to do that, or you need further guidance, we've produced another video showing you how that works. Now, Apple has been making product red devices and accessories for a number of years now, starting with an iPod before expanding to cases and accessories. Now, the aim has always been to sell this eye-catching colour while also giving a portion of the proceeds to the Global Fund. This then gets distributed to HIV and AIDS causes. And this is only the second red iPhone the manufacturer has made. Now, unlike last year, the back is covered in glass and so has quite a rich, deep, glossy red hue. At some angles, though, it does look quite vivid and eye-catching. The metal is anodized to match and is featured around the protruding camera housing, as well as the phone's frame and all the buttons and on the edges. It's worth noting, though, the screws and the lightning port surrounds aren't colour matched, which is a little unusual. Now, the best part this year, though, is that Apple has used black glass on the front. On the software side, everything is exactly the same. There aren't any bespoke wallpapers to match the black and red combination, but that's fine, we're sure you'll be wanting to download your own anyway. Now, the product red iPhone 8 and 8 Plus are both available to buy from today. Prices start from £699 and £799 respectively, with both 64 and 256GB models available. Let us know in the comments what you think of this new colour combination, and leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Hit subscribe too for more like this. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on all the important social media networks. I'll see you again soon.